Would you like to step indoors while we wait to find out? Warm up a bit, it is a cool night.
Thank you, sir. That is very kind and generous of you to offer. You cannot take all of this on alone.
You are climbing, Brimsley.
I am not.
He is mine. Stay down.
If you allow yourself another rider, do not think I care, but mind he is at the right station.
I am not. That is not what... There are no other riders. I am simply below stairs. I am simply below stairs.
Everything is in danger. You keep secrets.
You agree it is successful, do you not, Brimsley?
Most successful.
Will it last? Great love can make miracles.
Brimsley, have you any family? Did you never marry?
We would serve them together.
No, Your Majesty.
Brimsley, please.
What?
You know I could not. You know that my duty... I'm not able...
Much as I would love to stand here and help you find your words, I have my own duties to attend to.
Who could I ever find who would be free to spend a lifetime with me?
A lifetime.
My duties are to Her Majesty, not you.
You worry about your own sanity, Mark.
Why the doctor?
There is nothing to know.
I'm here. Everyone here cares for the king.
You give me nothing. You tell me nothing but lies. I ask your help and you refuse to treat me like a partner or an equal. I cannot help you.